So this question is based on electrostatics and based on Gauss theorem that net flux is equal to charge enclosed over epsilon naught. Okay, so now this charge Q is on this surface and then there are four faces. So you can see this is a square pyramid, so it has got two faces like this and two faces are like this. So what is flux net? So how much charge is enclosed? So because this charge is at the boundary, half of the charge is inside and half of the charge is outside. So this will become Q by 2 epsilon naught. And now they are asking about the net outward electric flux across each of the slanted faces. So the flux across this base will be 0 because flux is E dot dA. So electric field will be parallel to this face. So no flux because of this. And these four faces will have equal flux. So if I want to calculate flux through the slanted faces, it will be 1 by 4 of the net flux. So 1 by 4 of Q by 2 epsilon naught. So that means Q by 8 epsilon naught is the answer. So this is also a very straightforward question from electrostat. Thank you.